Hi, my name is Desmond Duncan, and I'm a project estimator here at Excel Fluid Group. And one of the topics I want to talk to you guys about is how to prevent hatch damaging. So a lot of times we get calls from contractors or operators that the hatches are damaged, and it turns out that a lot of times it's something from rock, dirt, gravel, or something just in the way and not allowing it. And most of the time the guys seem to force it closed, which will not work. So the easiest way to do it is just cleaning the thing out and making sure there's no debris before you close. The hatch should be flush. Another thing is when you are emptying rocks or gravel or whatever out of the hatch, do not put it into the wet well, because that could only cause you guys more damage in the future as far as pumps clogging, etc. So if you guys ever need anything, feel free to give us a call. We're at Excel Fluid Group, 216-941-1500. If you have anything